Lecture 2, a guide to navigating your life in 2018, a guide to being happier as you align your personal energy with the energy on the planet in 2018. So 2018 is going to be a cozy, loving year. And these are the two words that define the energy of 2018: love and self-worth. So here's a look at the overall number energy for 2018. So it is a number 2 year. And how you do that is you add 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 to give you 11, and then 1 plus 1 gives you the 2. So 2 is the overall number energy that affects everyone and will have an impact on your life and on the world. 2017 was a number 1 year and the start of a new 9-year cycle. So 2017 was a year of new beginnings, a year of change at every level, personal, national, international, a year of tumult. I think if you look back at your life in 2017, the energy of 2018 is going to be very nourishing for you. Going a little deeper into the overall number energy, 2018 is a year of love. So 2 kinds of love though: love of yourself, self-love, but also romantic love. For your life, 2018 has the energy of respecting and loving yourself, of remembering that you are important and significant. It's a year of keeping your sense of self in all of your relationships and developing your self-worth. So the first love of 2018 is the love of self, which manifests as feeling worthy. The second kind of love energy in 2018 is romantic love. 2018 will impact your closest love relationship if you're looking for a partner. 2018 encourages you to reach out, and why not take a risk on love? And also, if you're already in a loving relationship, 2018 is the year to deepen that love and take it to a more meaningful place. So in the previous slide, we talked about self-love, but 2018 is also a year for romantic love. It's wonderful, isn't it? So the energy on our planet in 2018 is supporting you as you transform your personal energy from a sense of unworthiness to a feeling of being worthy. A deep knowing and certainty about your place in the world. As I mentioned, 2018 is a year of love, of self-love first, romantic love next. As we begin to work on our personal worth then, our own self-love, the first thing to do is to transform our energy from a sense of unworthiness to a feeling of being worthy. There is a light expanding belief that is attached to the energy of 2018, and this belief is, I know who I am important and significant, and I choose to feel valued. This is the belief, the light belief predominant on the planet in 2018. This is a belief that we can align ourselves with, a belief that we can trust can be ours. We can use this belief in many ways, but one great way is as an affirmation. Affirmation then is, I know who I am. I am important and significant. And you know what? I do choose to feel valued. And because we do live on a planet of contrast and duality, there is also a dark limiting belief attached to the energy of 2018. In 2018, don't let yourself be drawn into this dark limiting belief. I believe that I don't matter and I am unworthy. Choosing to believe that you are important and significant, choosing to feel valued, will be transformational for you, but also for the planet's energy. This choice will facilitate the collective shift from unworthy to worthy. And this may be a new thought for you, that you can choose to feel valued, that this choice will move you from the unworthy feeling to the worthy feeling. There is a trigram of the Tao for 2018. So the trigrams of the Tao are the basic building blocks of creation. And these basic building blocks depict natural energy. Trigrams provide clues to the fundamental energy of each year. And there are 8 trigrams of the Tao, and these are heaven and earth, also fire and water, and lake and thunder, and wind and mountain. And when these trigrams combine together, they form the yin yang, or the Tai Chi. The trigram of the Tao for 2018 is Earth. And Earth has its own energy. So on the light side, Earth energy is life-giving and nourishing, and that's easy to imagine. That's exactly what our planet does for us. Earth energy is life-giving and nourishing. But on the dark side, Earth energy absorbs too much and can't replenish itself. We see this happening with the pollution on our planet. So the dark side of the Earth energy of the trigram for 2018 absorbs too much and can't replenish itself. So when you embody the light side of the Earth trigram, being nourishing to yourself and to others, you align your energy with the light energy on the planet in 2018. But when you collapse into the dark side of the Earth trigram, when you forget to nourish yourself, you absorb too much and then neglect to replenish. Once again, a choice. Align yourself with the light side of the trigram. In 2018, we will all be faced with this choice: to bring the light energy of Earth into our lives, or to allow the dark energy of Earth to overwhelm us. But we'll be faced with this choice with ourselves and our self-love, and also in our most intimate relationships. So it's worth taking care of yourself, but it's worth taking care of your love relationships through this focus. In Lecture 3, we will cover the practical steps that you can take to align yourself with the energy of 2018. Things that you can do for your personal energy and for the energy in your space to flow, to align with the energy of 2018.